Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Today we shall discuss about shapes and measurements. This topic is related to areas and perimeters of different shapes. We shall be learning circumference, area, diameter, radius of a circle. You can go through the formulae. Circumference means perimeter. This full is called perimeter. The border, the boundary is called perimeter of a circle, and the distance from center to any point on the circumference is radius, and diameter passes through center. So diameter is called the biggest chord. The chord which passes through the center is called diameter, and diameter is double of radius, or you can say radius is half of diameter. So the formula of circumference you can learn, pi into d, and circumference is 2 pi r as well, because d can be said 2r. Here what is pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. When we divide circumference by diameter, we get a constant value that is called pi. Pi is the ratio, that is the reason pi has no unit. Pi has no unit. So here area is pi r square, area of a circle is pi r square, where r is radius. Let us do some problems. Before that, let us go for formula. This is rectangle. Rectangle, everyone knows length into breadth. So length is base or into height, or you can say base into height, or you can say length into breadth. Area of a triangle is half base into height. Base is sleeping line and perpendicular, height is perpendicular line, which makes 90 degree. Here we have already discussed circumference is pi into d or 2 pi r, and area is pi r square. Area is pi r square. Area of trapezium is sum of parallel lines, parallel sides a and b into height. So sum of parallel sides into height. There may be many more shapes. Now a simple question, complete this working. They have given pi 3.14. When they give you pi 3.14, please don't dare to use calculator, because calculator will give you wrong answer, and they are asking the answer up to 1 decimal place. So be careful. You have to write your answer and you have to round off to 1 decimal place. So here area, they are asking find area. So area is pi r square and r is given 2. So we have substituted the value, and 2 square is 4, and 3.14 when we multiply by 4 we get 12.56, and when we round off it becomes 12.6 centimeter square. Here the radius is given 9, so it is 9 square. 9 square is 81. When we multiply 3.14 to 81 we get 254.34, 254.34, and then we can round off because it is less than 5, so we keep as it is. Here it was 5 or more than 5, then we increase the number, so that you must have learned round off. So it is 12.6, here 254.3. there is no change in decimal place. Now here radius is 4.2, so 4.2 square is 17.64. When we multiply we get 55.38. Since it is more than 5, so we increase the number at decimal first place. So 55.4 meter. Easy calculation. Now they are asking find area when diameter is given. So diameter means you have to find radius. So your radius will become half of diameter, which is 8. And then pi r square means 8 square, which is 64. When you multiply you get 201.088. Here they are asking answer up to 2 decimal places. So we have to round off to 2 decimal places. So now you have to see the third place. So third place is more than 5. So it will become 201.09. Here diameter is 9. So radius will be 4.5. 4.5 square is 20.25. When we multiply by 3.142, here they have given 3.142. If calculator is allowed, please use this value only. Don't use only pi when they give you the pi value. So here answer comes 63.625. We have to see the third place is 5 or more than 5, so it will become 63. So 63.63. Here diameter is 2.6, so radius will be 1.3. 1.3 square is 1.69. When you multiply by 3.142, such questions you have to use calculator because they are big calculations. So 5.309, and then you round off, check third place, so 5.31. It's easy. Let us do this question, work out area and circumference. Radius is given, so area is pi r square, as you know. If calculator is allowed, you can directly write pi into 5.6 square, or you can do pi into 5.6 into 5.6, you get this answer. Okay, they are asking one decimal place, so check this place is 2, so there will be no change. When we go for circumference 2 pi r, just multiply them, your answer comes 35.18. You can increase the number because this is more than 5. So answer is 35.2. It's easy. Now when we go for next, area they are asking when diameter is 32. So 32 millimeter, you can write 3 centimeter also 3.2, or let it be as it is because they are not asking the answer in a specific unit. So pi r square, so r is 16 here. So when you multiply by calculator, you get 804.24. Answer one decimal place, so we say check only second decimal place is 4, so no change, 804.2. 2 pi r, 2 into pi into 16, so 32 pi you can say 100.53. Check this 3, so there will be no change because 3 is less than 5. So 100.5 mm is your circumference. Let us do few more. This shape is semicircle, this shape is quarter circle. They are asking, can you just guess which is bigger in area? So we cannot guess it, we have to find it, which is bigger in area. So let us find the area of semicircle will be half pi r square, half of circle, so half pi r square, and this will be 1/4 of pi r square. So half pi r square, you can find 5.2 upon 2, or 2.6 square is 7.76. When we multiply, we get 10.618. You can write 3 significant figure when it is not specified in question. So 10.6 is the answer, 10.6 centimeter square. Here 1/4 pi r square, pi is given 3.14. So when you find the square of 3.14, 11.56. When you multiply all together, you get 9.079. You round off to 3 significant figure, 9.08. They ask find the area of both and compare. Compare means which is bigger. So semicircle is bigger than quarter circle. The area of semicircle is 10.6 and here 9.08. When you estimate, the value may come closer. Here they are given compound shapes. So we are finding the area of compound shapes, means they are combined. 2 shapes are combined or 3 shapes are combined. We call them compound shapes. So here if you see, we have 2 shapes. One is rectangle, other is also rectangle. So rectangle 1, rectangle 2. So you can find 2 areas. So area of shape A is length into breadth or length into width, which is 5 into 4. This is 5, this is 4, and second one is 11 into 2. When you add them, answer comes 42 centimeter square total area. Here one is triangle. So triangle is half base into height. Rectangle is length into breadth or length into width. So we have applied half base into height, answer comes 36. Length into breadth, answer comes 36 again. When we add them, answer is 72 centimeter square. Here compound shape, so we can add them. This is A shape, rectangle, length into breadth. This is semicircle, so half pi r square. Here r is 6 because the diameter is 12. So here length into breadth gives you 60. Half pi r square gives you 56.54. When we add them, we get 116.54. You can round off to 1 decimal place. Okay, so we got answer 116.5 centimeter. Here they are asking area of shaded region. So you can find shaded. Shaded means bigger minus smaller. So bigger is your square, which is pi r square, and this is length into breadth. So length into breadth and pi r square. So we can find it. Here area of rectangle is 4 into 1.5, which gives you 6, and area of circle is pi r square, which gives you 28.27. So when we round off, it becomes 28.3 minus 6 gives you 22.33. Significant figure we can write if it is not specified. When we come for this area of shaded compound shape, so this is circle, so side is square, and area of circle is pi r square. So simple. So you can write a1 minus a2. Bigger is square, so bigger minus smaller. So we got the answer 240.25 minus 150.94. Please try by yourself. Answer comes 86.3. You can pause the video and try by yourself. This is a ring. So area of ring is pi r square minus r square, capital R minus small r. Because, or you can say outer circle minus inner circle. So I have taken pi r square minus pi r square. I got 28 pi, and my final answer is 87.96. When I round off, it becomes 88.0 centimeter square if they want 3 significant figures. Now these are the bigger units and small units. So length, capacity and mass. Length in liter, mass in gram, and length in meter, that is standard. Here you can remember King Henry died, mother didn't cry much. King Henry died, mother didn't cry much. So this is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. You can use gram, or you can use liter, or you can use meter. So kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram. Sorry, I am using kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, and decimeter. Decimeter is 10th of meter, and it is 10 times. So this is centimeter, this is millimeter. Everywhere we are having the relation of 10. So meter is 10 decimeter, 100 centimeter, and 1000 millimeter. That way you can combine. When you go from bigger unit to small unit, we multiply. When we come from small unit to big unit, we divide. Here are the big prefix, means these are the letters. Tera means T. So if they write TM, TM means 10 raised to power 12. So terameter, terabyte you must have learned, gigabyte, megabyte. Here we are learning megameter. So terameter means 10 raised to 12 meter, and gigameter means 10 raised to 9 meter. Nanometer means nano is smaller unit. So nano is given here. Nano means 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So whenever you are just making bigger to small, you multiply, and when we are making small to big, we divide. Thank you very much. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much. May God bless you.